Okay, a function f of x is defined as f of x equals 3 to the x squared minus x minus 2, but two real numbers satisfy f of x equals 1. Okay, so we know that we want this right here, f of x, to be equal to 1. So we need to set 1 equal to 3 x squared minus x, minus x minus 2. Right, because if f of x is equal to 1 and f of x is equal to 3 to the x squared minus x minus 2, then these two should be equal to each other. Okay, now the next step is, right, 3 to the x squared minus x minus 2. What do we need this to equal? Well, in order for a number to a power to equal 1, that power has to be 0. So that means that x squared minus x minus 2 has to be 0, right? Because if we had 3 to the 0th power, it would equal 1, and that's what we want. So now we know that we need to find the two zeros of this function right here, x squared minus x minus 2. And how do we do that? Well, we just factor it, and when you factor, you get x minus 2 times x plus 1, right? Because when you FOIL this out, you get x squared minus 1x minus 2. So, and that's all equal to 0. So here to make it 0, x equals negative 1. Here to make it 0, x equals 2. So those are your two answers right here. And even if you didn't know how to factor it, you could just guess and check. Once you got to this point right here, you could just guess and check values to equal 0.
Do you live